Success commandment number 2. Start small.
This is supposed to be about achieving your goals. How does starting small help?
Listen there, young one.
Hey, just so you know, we're on camera. I know you guys didn't have those, but we do.
Okay, well, starting small means start with small action steps. If you want to travel to another city on your camel, then you must take slow and steady steps towards the other city. Over time, you will make it.
Today we just take Ubers, bro. What the hell is a camel? But I think I get it. A lot of times when I want to do something, I see it as this large thing. We need to break it down and start with smaller steps. Like when I want to get my math homework done, but I have 100 problems to do, I should just try and start with one problem, focus on that one problem only, and then get the next one done, and the next one done, and the next one done. Once I just start, just take it one problem at a time, small action steps, right?
Yes, you get it. Make sure to start off with small goals with small action steps and build up from there. Subscribe to never miss another one of the Success Commandments.